Hello guys, welcome back to May Artistry. Today, we will be doing something new in this channel with this Cricut's Joy machine. I will be making customized Eid greeting cards. For this, I am using Cricut's card inserts with this shiny, bright, black, gold and red colored card inserts and these beautiful light colored paper cards that we can mix and match with the shiny inserts. To cut the card inserts, we need a Cricut mat, Cricut fine pen, I'm using black color, and a weeder. It isn't easy to find many Eid cards, so I'm making the ones for my friends and family. Before we proceed, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. You guys had been a great support so far and thank you for that. To start with, I am using this light yellow colored card and I am prepping it. Leave the mat's protective film and insert the card in the mat. The card size is medium, which is 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches. Now we're gonna open this card and insert the card in the mat by following these lines and guides. The right half of the card will go inside this slot and the left half will stick to the mat that has a glue. Make sure it is properly secure so that it does not move when the machine is cutting. Next, I am logging into the Cricut Joy app on my mobile. Select the card inserts. We have over 1,000 cards provided by Cricut. In the browser, I am tapping in Eid and we have two beautiful designs here. I am selecting the first one. The best thing about the design space is it's gonna guide you on what materials you need to make a specific card. Click Start Making. Select the size of the card. It's gonna prompt you to this page, which is all fine with size and the mat. You can preview the card by clicking this. This is an exact prototype. Now connect the mobile to the Cricut Joy machine via Bluetooth, which is automatic once installed. And we're gonna open the Cricut machine and insert the mat with the prep card through these slots. It's gonna load and measure the material size, making sure there is no human error. And yeah, the human was right. It's asking me to insert the pen. I am opening this log. Take out the blade and insert the pen. You can see on the left of the screen, the app is guiding me with this beautiful diagrammatic representation, so it's pretty easy. The pen is in the slot. Once the centers detect the pen, it's gonna draw the design. It's gonna be quick. The drawing is complete. You can see on the left of your screen, it's prompting me to remove the pen and insert the blade. I am inserting this tiny blade and locking it. It's cutting the paper. The cutting is complete and we can unload the mat from the machine. With the help of the weeder, I am gently lifting the card from the mat. The cut pieces stick to the mat. Separate the card from the mat. There are still some bits of paper that are hanging. Remove them with a weeder by following the design pattern. Now I am taking this shiny red card and inserting it through the cut slots at the four corners of the card. You need to be gentle and not tear it apart. Our card is complete. I have prepared few more cards. This gold one is similar to the red insert I just made. This is a beautiful Arabic design and I love it. You can see how precisely it has cut the design and a happy Eid. This is a cute lamb face one. This is a one with a bull with big horns and a rose on them. I have prepared the insert for this card with a holographic vinyl and written it here, Eid Mubarak, all with Cricut machine. You can see the lovely shades of blue and pink here. I have prepared these Eid Mubarak letters in red vinyl for this lamp one, and I will show you how to attach the customized message in the cards now. Take some transfer tape, cut it to the size of vinyl being used. Peel the back paper of the tape and stick it to the vinyl. Gently scrape it. And lift the letters with the help of a weeder. Stick it to the card and remove the tape. I will really appreciate you guys if you can click that thumbs up button and smack that red bell icon below. And here we have a beautiful Eid Mubarak message. Eid Mubarak guys, take care.